Alright everyone, this is your Tablebot walkthrough. So real quick here, the challenge here is to program the robot to move forward until it detects the edge of the table. What you want it to do is the robot should stop when it sees the edge of the table. You're going to back up, make a turn, and then keep going forward until it detects another edge, and it should keep doing this indefinitely. Okay, so if you kind of look at the code here, I made a few functions. I made a function to rest or stop. I made a function to go in reverse. I made a turning one, and then here's my code for looking for a black line, which is essentially using the centerline follower. I just decided to use one. If you want to do it for all three of them, that's also fine. So you can turn it more as an if statement, so if any of them see dark, but I just chose the centerline. So the centerline follower, if it's less than the threshold value, which I'm going to use down here as 2000, and it's going to keep going forward until it sees that. Once it sees a dark line, or in this case, yeah, once it sees a dark line, it should stop and exit that. Okay, here's my running indefinitely while 1 equals 1. And so it's pretty simple. It's going to look for the black line. If it sees it, it's going to go stop, reverse, turn, and then go back into looking for a black line. Alright, so let's take a look at how this runs. I'll download it to the robot. We're looking for the Tablebot here, start activity, and oops, wrong button there, sorry about that. Okay, let's go ahead and see this in action. So hit play, it's moving forward. Notice the line follower, as soon as it hits dark, it's going to back up, take a turn, and I just chose a random angle to turn to until it finds the next black line. It backs up, turns again, and it's going to keep doing this kind of indefinitely until the timer runs out. Okay, so it's going to run this for, I believe, 30 seconds was what it was. So we'll just kind of wait and see this ride out to the end. Backs up, turns, and then keeps going. So it should, in theory, do this forever, or at least until the battery dies, and in this case, until the timer ends. Okay, so that's your Tablebot challenge. Give that a shot, see if you can get that set up yourself. You can use some of my code there as a starting point. All right, good luck.